Margarita. Put the necessary items into the basket. Cheese, tomatoes. Not quite. Not this way. Not quite. Well done. Halfway through. Basil. Not quite. You're doing great. Olive oil. Correct. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. It's time to make some pizza. Tear off all the leaves. Let's cut it good. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Pedal to the metal. Watch out! Cones ahead! Watch out! A log ahead! Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! Hares ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.